Link RE330 versus TP-Link RE215. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. So if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content, and also watch the video till the end.
Here we will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about Wi-Fi standards. 330 provided Wi-Fi 5 802.11 AC Wi-Fi standard, and it is also provided by 215, so both are equal. Now let's look at the speed. 330 provided up to 1200 Mbps, 300 Mbps on 2.4 GHz plus 867 Mbps on 5 GHz speed, and 215 provided up to 750 Mbps, 300 Mbps on 2.4 GHz plus 433 Mbps on 5 GHz. So 330 is better. Now let's look at the coverage. 330 provided up to 1500 square feet coverage, and 215 provided up to 1200 square feet coverage. So 330 is better. Now let's look at the Ethernet port. 1x fast Ethernet 100 Mbps port is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the antenna type. External antennas is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the mesh compatibility. Yes, one mesh supported by all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the setup and app support. TP-Link Tether app is supported by all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the power consumption. In 330, approx 7W power consumption is available, and in 215, approx 5W power consumption is available, so 215 is better. Now let's look at the compact design. In 330, medium design is available, and in 215, more compact design is available, so 215 is better. Now let's look at the price range. The price range of 330 is slightly higher. The estimate price is around $40 to $50, and the price of 215 is more budget friendly. It is around $25 to $35, so 215 is better. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.